As I moved away from the counter and her side, the apron dropped to the floor as I headed for the man whose hand was now held out, ready for me to shake in greeting. There are those moments in your life when you know you'll never forget them. They can be happy or sad, annoying or exhilarating. This was one of them. As I slipped my hand into his, I felt the electric shocks down to my core. Meeting his gaze wasn't hard because I was stunned. And I needed to know if he'd felt that too. From the way those eyelids were shielding his icy blue eyes, I figured he was just as surprised. It was like a satisfied puma was watching me, one that was happy there was plump prey prancing around in front of him. Shit. Did I just describe myself as plump prey? And like that, my house of cards came tumbling down because what the hell would this man want with me? I was seeing things. God, I was so stupid sometimes. I cleared my throat for, like, the fourth damn time, and asked, "I'm Miss Keegan. You are?" His smile, when it appeared, was as charming as the rest of them. His teeth were white, but not creepy reality TV star white. They were straight except for one of his canines, which tilted in slightly. In his perfect face, it was one flaw that I almost clung to, because with that wide brow, the hair so dark it looked like black silk that was cut closely to his head, with a faint peak at his forehead, the strong nose, and even stronger jaw, I needed something imperfect to focus on. Then I sucked down a breath and remembered what Fiona had told me once upon a time, when I'd been nervous about asking Jamie Winters to homecoming. She'd advised me in her soft Irish lilt, "Lass, dat boy takes a dump just like you do. He uses the bathroom twice a day and undoubtedly leaves a puddle on the floor for his ma to clean up. Oh, I bet he's puked a time or two as well. Had diarrhea and the good Lord only knows what else. Just you think that the next time you see that boy and want to ask him out." Yeah, it was gross, but fuck, it had worked. Her advice had worked so well I hadn't asked anyone out because I could only think of them using the damn toilet. Still, looking at this Adonis, there was no imagining that. Surely gods didn't use the bathroom, did they? The name's Finn O'Grady. My eyes flared at the name. No, it couldn't be. Finn O'Grady. No, it wasn't a rare name, but it was a strong one that suited him, one that had always suited him. I frowned up at him, wondering yet again if this was a joke of some sort. But as he looked at me, really looked at me, I saw no recognition. Saw nothing on his features that revealed any ounce of awareness that I'd known him for years. Well, okay, not known, but I'd known his mother. Our mothers had been best friends. And as I looked, I saw the same almond-shaped eyes Fiona had, the stubborn jaw, and that unmistakable butt indent on his chin. At the reminder of just how forgettable I was, my heart sank, and hurt whistled through me. Then I realized I was still holding his hand, and as he squeezed, the flush returned, and I almost died of mortification. As I moved away from the counter and her side,